We all love homemade food, but what we don't love is worrying about what to cook and how to cook it. So what if you could just follow your desires? Meet the Moulinex iCompanion Touch Pro, the smart connected heating food processor. It mixes, chops, prepares, cooks, simmers and weighs right there in the bowl. And it knows what you want better than you do sometimes. Want to get inspired?
Find thousands of free recipes you can customize to suit your needs. And every day will bring new ideas.
Want to make life easier?
From now on, simply weigh your ingredients in the bowl thanks to the new integrated scale.
What do you want?
Try one of the tempting recipes designed just for you based on seasonal ingredients, your favourite dishes and your cooking style.
Want to stop wasting food?
It's easy. Use the In My Fridge feature to enter only the ingredients you want to use and hey presto, choose one of the suggested recipes.
Want to add a personal touch?
Customize an existing recipe by using your favourite ingredients.
Want to learn something new?
Make every dish a success with our video tutorials and detailed step-by-step recipes.
Want to delight more people?
Adapt your recipes to the number of guests and treat up to 10 people thanks to the XXL size bowl.
Ready to make your life easier? Ready to connect with how you feel? Ready to get the new iCompanion Touch Pro by Moulinex?